A father's advice. A wealthy businessman was on his deathbed. He called his sons near and gave them his final advice. Boys, go to the shop in shade and return in shade. Never ask for money, having given someone things on credit. In times of trouble, look for help at the well. If the well doesn't help, go ask a wise man of the village. With these last words, the man passed away. According to their father's advice, the sons bought a horse cart with a nice umbrella and used to go to the shop and return in shade. They gave away things in the shop to people on credit and never asked for money. Soon, however, the store was empty, and they didn't even have any money to buy more things to sell. They were virtually broke. Confused, they remembered their father's words and went to the well in their backyard for help. They began to yell into the well for help, but of course, the well did not respond. So the boys went to a wise man and told him everything. The wise man explained, "Boys, you have misunderstood your father's words. By going and coming in shade, your father wanted you to go to the shop before sunrise and return after sunset, meaning work hard at the shop. By saying that you should never ask for money having given things on credit, he meant never give things on credit so that you would never have to ask for money. And when he said to visit the well for help, he must have buried some extra money for you all there." The boys listened to the wise man's words and dug around the well. Sure enough, there was a chest of money hidden there for them. With this new money, the boys started their business again and were successful. The great advice of our scriptures is the same. If we try to understand them on our own, we may make big mistakes. But if we understand them with the help of a wise man, the Son, then we will surely find happiness.